In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create in-text links to attached PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a line of text into a clickable link that jumps straight to a specific page view, which is perfect for directing readers to sections within your main document or pages inside an attached PDF. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat and the PDF you want to edit. Give the file a moment to fully load so all pages are available. Once you're in, look toward the top of the window and choose Edit. This puts Acrobat into an editing context so the linking tools are available and makes it easy to modify text and add interactive elements. Next, find the link option. In the current Acrobat interface, link sits within the editing controls and gathers everything you need to create document or web links. Click it, then choose Add Link. This tells Acrobat you're about to draw or apply a link area and helps the app focus on the next selection you make. Now highlight the exact text you want to become clickable. Drag across the words carefully so only the intended phrase is included. If your text sits close to other content, zoom in first for precision. Keeping the link area tightly aligned to the text ensures a clean, professional look and makes the link easier to click without grabbing nearby elements. When Acrobat prompts you for what the link should do, choose Go to Page. This action creates a destination based on a specific page view. It's ideal for internal navigation within the same PDF and also works when your target is a page inside an attached PDF that you bring into view. With Go to Page selected, scroll to the page you want the link to go to. Navigate naturally using the page thumbnails or the scroll bar until the exact page and view are on screen. Adjust the zoom and position if needed so the most important content is centered. Acrobat will remember this view, not just the page number. This gives your readers a precise landing spot, saving them from hunting around once they arrive. When the page and view look right, click Set Link. Acrobat finalizes the destination and applies the link to your highlighted text. From now on, clicking that text will jump directly to the view you just defined. If you're linking into an attached PDF that opens in its own tab or window, make sure the desired page is visible before you set the link so Acrobat captures the correct destination. That's it. You've created an in-text link that guides readers exactly where you want them to go, keeping your PDFs clear, navigable, and user-friendly.